petition information wípé àwọn kan sin màálù ní ìgboro. A dẹ̀ rán àwọn èèyàn wa jáde pé kí wọ́n lọ inspect ibẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ, wọ́n dẹ̀ find out, wọ́n dẹ̀ wá padà fún wa lábọ̀. Àbọ̀ yẹn làwa wá carry out enforcement wa lénìí. Ìgbà tá a dẹ̀ débẹ̀, a bá bọ́n ṣe sọ pé a ṣe máa bá from people living in that area. Rearing cows in residential areas. You can see that that place we went is a residential area. It has a hospital beside it. So we said, we sent our people out to go and investigate. And they investigated. There was a day that the cattle came out onto the main road. They caused accident. That accident was reported at Yemetu police station. We were there, we witnessed it. So we told our people to go and inspect and to find out the area where the cattle are being reared. And they went. They got us the address and the area. So we decided to go there today to arrest them. They will face charges of open rearing, open grazing, and they have permit to operate that ranch there. They can present it. That's all. We take them to court because it's been on air all over town to make this announcement and adverts. We have done so much. So nobody can say he has not heard.